Hello and welcome to a very important video. In this video, we will talk about advanced custom field and we'll create a custom post type using advanced custom field plugins. If you want to read more about this plugin, you can go to WordPress.org and then search for advanced custom field. You can see the details are use advanced custom field plugin to take control of WordPress edit screen in custom field. So if you want to add custom field or you can say custom data type, then you can use advanced custom field plugin. It is a free plugin and you can use without paying any single rupee. But if you want to buy the premium versions, there's a premium version as well that will give you more opportunities and features as well. The current version is 6.2. Last updated is 2 weeks ago. If you go to review section, you can see that it has a 5-star rating more than 1000. And let's see how we can use this plugin to create a custom field in our dashboard WordPress. I will go to my WordPress dashboard. Just go to plugin section, click on add new, search for ACF advanced custom field, and you can see there are two versions: advanced custom field extended, advanced custom field by WP Engine. These are the same, but in this tutorial I will use advanced custom field. We will talk more about advanced custom field later videos, but for today's we will just stick to advanced custom field by WP Engine. So I will install it. As you can see, the plugin is now installing. Let's wait for the installation. After the installation, we will activate and then configure it, and we will create a basic demo by using this plugin. So I will just activate this plugin. Okay, as you can see, the plugin is now activated, and you can see there in the dashboard their custom field option, and just go to add new because we have pretty new. So you can see that these are the available text fields. For example, this. So for that purpose, just give a form this a group title. So we will say tour, T-O-U-R tour, and in this you can see general, validation, presentation, and conditional logic. We will see from general. So field type, what will be the field type? It will be a simple text area. Field label, we will say tour name. We are trying to build a custom post type for a tour that will contain the tour name, tour price, tour description, and some images. So I will select field type text. After the tour name, field name, tour name, it will automatically insert it here according to the field label provided here. Default value, if you want to give a default value, you can add this as well. Then go to validation. If it is a required, yes, it is a required field. Tour name, presentation, you can set presentation as well. If you want to select placeholder text, tour name, I will just select prepend or append. You can hover over this to read more about this. I will okay with these settings. Conditional logic, if you want to set conditional logic for this field to appear, but I am fine with this basic setting. Okay, so this is our first field. I will add another field type. It will be a again text. It will be text area that is for field tour description, tour description, tour description, field name, tour description. Default value is none, and validation, it is a required field. After that, I will just click add new. It will be a number, and this will be a field type tour price, and then we have tour price. Default value is none. After that, we will select an image. field type, it will be image for the tour image, and this will be tour image, let's say, and this is the image. You can also select any one of them. I will select image array and then click add. If you want to click more field, then you can just click add new, and there are other rules. And if you want to display where this field groups will appear, then you can set conditions from here. Show this field group if post type is equal to post, currently post, or you can see you can add another condition, post to. I will select if the post type is post or page, then show this field. I will stick to post type for now and just click save changes. Now, in order to add our tour, we will go to post and then click on add new. Click on tour. Now you can see tour name. It will be demo tour. Tour description. This is a. After that we have tour price. It will be, and if want to image, yes, I will just click on add image. So this will be like, let's say I want to add this one. I think this is good, looking good, and just select. So after that you just need to update it, you need to publish it. So I'm not doing that because I have already set up this tour. So this is how you set up advanced custom field section. And to display these fields on the front end, you need to install another plugins like Elementor or any other custom post type, and then display these fields on the front end. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.